chord is basically three notes played together. Let's have a bit of theory, shall we? Let's go. Hi, I'm Dave and welcome to Guitar for Beginners. In this lesson we're going to look at how to form a basic major chord. Now we're not going to dive deep into theory, but we do need something basic. So here's a scale, stop rolling your eyes at the back there, and this scale is in the key of C major. And this is a really nice and simple scale because it doesn't have any sharp notes, any flat notes. And it looks something like this. Okay, now here I'm showing it to you in a really simple way. Okay, and you'll see there that there are 7 notes, with C being the first note, also called the root note. And then we have C, D, E, F, G, A, and then finally the 7th note, which is a B. So there's a scale. Congratulations on learning a bit of theory. Oh no, wait a sec, there's a bit more. How do we actually form a chord? So to make a chord, there are 3 notes. They're called triads, and these triads are our friends. So we use the 1st, 3rd, and 5th notes of a scale to make a basic chord. So here's a quick question for you. How do we make a C major chord? What do you think? Why not pause the video and have a little think? So what do we need to make a C chord? Well, we need the first note, the root note, which is a C. We need the 3rd note, which is an E. And we need a 5th note, which here is a G. So let me know in the comments if you knew that. Remember, C is the first note, so count C as number 1. Okay, don't count C and then go 1, 2, 3. If you do that, you'll end up having a D minor chord. Now you might be thinking, yeah, but I play all these other notes, string thingies, when I'm playing my guitar. There seem to be more notes. There must be more. Well, that's true, but you are still actually only playing those particular 3 notes. So okay, if we look closely at what we're playing, here's the C chord right there. Now here, the 3rd finger at the 3rd fret of the A or 5th string is our root note. This is our first note in the scale, it's the C. Our 2nd finger here, 2nd fret of the D or 4th string, is playing the E note. And here, the 3rd string, which is played open, is our G. Okay, so there's our basic triad, 3 notes. But yeah, okay, we've got these 2 other strings here as well. But we're actually playing the same notes. The 1st finger, the 1st fret of the B or 2nd string, is a C. And this one here, the top string, which is played open, is an E string. So yep, we're playing 5 strings, but we're only playing 3 notes, C, E, and G. And if you look at the chord diagram there, you'll see an X over the 6th string. And if you've seen my video about this string, then you'll know that this is also an E. So in theory, if you'll pardon the pun, you can actually play this note and not sound out of tune. But generally the lowest note of a chord is the root note, the first note of a scale. And that's basic theory. If you like that, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notifications button, and I'll see you in the next lesson.